Hello friends, now we learn compound sentences exercise. This is our last class on synthesis, that is simple, complex and compound sentence. We learned about how to make simple sentences, later on how to make complex sentences, and finally how to make a compound sentences. To make a compound sentence, we need a correlative conjunction that can connect two main clauses. So, when it is how to make a compound sentence, remember we use a conjunction which is called a correlative conjunction because it connects two main clauses. Means there are two main clauses, independent clauses are going to be connected. So, when two main clauses are going to be connected, by connecting such a sentence, we make a compound sentence. So, here we have some exercise, solved exercise, let us learn them. So, let me start. See, what is the first example? He could not win a scholarship due to his carelessness. This is a simple sentence. He could not win a scholarship due to his carelessness. So, here is the word due to his carelessness. याचा अर्थ कसा होतो की त्याच्या केअरलेसनेसमुळे त्यांनी स्कॉलरशिप जिंकली नाही किंवा तो स्कॉलरशिप जिंकू शकला नाही. This is a simple sentence and now we want to make it a compound. So, to make a compound, here we have used a connector so. Remember we use so to connect two main clauses and we use it to express the result of something. So, as a result of something. So, what is the answer? Here the first here two sentences are he was careless. The first sentence is he was careless and the second is he could not win a scholarship. So, he was careless, so he could not win a scholarship. म्हणजे दोन वाक्य कसे झाले की तो केअरलेस होता म्हणून त्याने स्कॉलरशिप जिंकली नाही. सो द रिझल्ट ऑफ इज केअरलेसनेस. म्हणजे सो जे आहे ते काय सांगत आहे आपल्याला रिझल्ट सांगत आहे. रिझल्ट ऑफ इज केअरलेसनेस. व्हॉट इज द रिझल्ट ऑफ इज केअरलेसनेस? दॅट he could not win a scholarship. So, here we use so. What we use? We use so to connect two sentences. Okay? Here that is. Now, the second example. Let us see here. If you do not leave this room, I will compel you to do so. So, this is a complex type of sentence because here two sentences are connected with if. If makes a conditional clause. So, it is a conditional clause by connecting with if. We have joined two sentences. The first sentence that if you do not leave this room, जर तू ही रूम सोडणार नाही, आय विल कंपेल यू टू डू सो, तर मी तुला फोर्सफुली ते करायला लावेल. तर हिअर इज कंडिशन इज सेड. सो वेन यू कनेक्ट सच टू सेंटेंसेस you can use a word or, because or is used to express the choice or alternation. Leave this room म्हणजे ती रूम सोड, or I will compel you to do so म्हणजे जर ते तू करणार नाही तर मी तुला त्या रूम मधून काढून टाकेल. सो हिअर वी हॅव यूज द वर्ड or to connect two sentences, that is alternation, choice. Leave this room or I will compel you to do so. So, to express choice or option, we use a word or to connect two sentences. Now, here let us see the third example. Feeling satisfied with his work, the principal offered a permanent job. Feeling satisfied with his work म्हणजे त्याच्या कामांनी सॅटिस्फाईड होऊन द प्रिन्सिपल ऑफर्ड ए परमानंट जॉब. प्रिन्सिपलनी एक परमानंट जॉबची ऑफर दिली. So here we have used a word and to connect two sentences. Now the two sentences are the principal felt satisfied with his work. जे प्रिन्सिपल त्याच्या कामाने सॅटिस्फाईड झाला and he offered him a permanent job and offered him a and त्याला permanent job दिला. So we use here and. The word and is used to connect two equal ideas that are happening one after other. So in such cases, when two equal ideas or that are going to connect one after other, so we can use a word and to connect such a two sentences. So because there are two equal ideas are going to be connect, therefore we have used here a word and to connect two sentences. Okay. Now let us see the fourth example. The sun having risen, the fog disappeared. Here also the sun having risen, sun उगवल्याने the fog disappeared. म्हणजे एकानंतर दुसरी क्रिया झालेली आहे. म्हणजे सनराईज झाला, सन उगवलं पहिली क्रिया आणि त्याच्यानंतर द फोग डिसअपियर्ड दुसरी क्रिया घडली की ढग जे आहे ते फॉग जे आहे धुकं जे आहे ते डिसअपियर्ड झालं, नाहीसं झालं. सो हिअर ऑल्सो टू ॲक्शन्स आर हॅपनिंग one after other. So when there are two actions are going to happen one after other, we use a word and to connect such a two sentences. So here we have used a word and to connect two sentences. The sun rose म्हणजे सूर्य उगवला आणि the fog disappeared. So to express such a two equal ideas, we use a word and. So now next example is fifth one. You must run very fast to win the race. You must run very fast to win the race. याचा अर्थ काय होतो? तुला जोरात धावावं लागेल टू विन द रेस. म्हणजे जर तुला ही रेस जिंकायची असेल तर जोरात धावावं लागेल. दिस इज ए सिंपल सेंटेन्स. अँड नाउ दिस सिंपल सेंटेन्स कॅन बी changed into compound sentence. So see what we have used here, we have used or. So run fast to win the race. म्हणजे जर जोरात धावशील तर तू काय करशील? मॅच जिंकणार. आणि जर जोरात धावणार नाही तर तू मॅच जिंकणार नाही. तर इथे काय दिसते आपल्याला? चॉईस दिसते. काय दिसते? चॉईस. आणि आर हा जो शब्द आहे हा आर शब्द और हा शब्द जो आहे तो आपण कशासाठी वापरतो? चॉईस सांगण्यासाठी. म्हणजे उत्तर काय आहे? यू मस्ट रन व्हेरी फास्ट. पहिलं वाक्य आहे यू मस्ट रन व्हेरी फास्ट. म्हणजे तुला जोरात धावावं लागेल. और नाहीतर काय होईल? यू विल नॉट विन द रेस. तू रेस जिंकणार. यू विल नॉट विन द रेस म्हणजे तू रेस जिंकणार नाही. तर वाक्य होतं की यू मस्ट रन व्हेरी फास्ट टू विन द रेस. म्हणजे तुला रेस जिंकण्यासाठी जोरात धावावं लागेल. म्हणून ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला ते कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्स बनवायचा आहे तर तुम्ही त्या सेंटेन्सला या पद्धतीने म्हणू शकता की जर तुला जोरात धावावं लागेल नाहीतर तू रेस जिंकणार नाही. और यू विल नॉट विन द रेस. सो हिअर वी हॅव यूज्ड ए वर्ड और टू एक्सप्रेस चॉईस. So in such cases when we want to express choice, we want to express result of something or want to express equal ideas, also we use a word but. Do you remember but? Why do we use a word but? To express two opposite ideas, we use but to express but and yet also. So, we use but and yet to express opposite ideas, means two opposite ideas are going to be used. So, we use but or sometimes we use yet to make a sentence. So, here that is we learn in a compound sentence how to make a compound sentence. See, in the first sentence we have connected the two sentences with the so, because the second action is a result of first one. In the second, because there is choice, we have used or. In the third, we have used and, because of the two equal ideas which are going to happen one after other, 3 and 4 are same, and 5 again we have used a word or to connect two sentences. So, here are these 5 examples, solved examples for making compound sentences. Okay. So, have you understood? Okay. Tell me what are the conjunctions, correlative conjunctions that we use to form a compound sentence. They are and, but, or, otherwise, yet, nor, that is nor, which comes with neither. So, we use neither nor. So, these are the correlative conjunction that we use to form a compound sentence. Now, here are 9 examples are given to you. So, solve them. First of all, you pause this video and write them down. Write all 9 examples in your notebook. Then try to solve each and every. If you have some problems while solving, so you can directly call me or send me a message on my WhatsApp group. So, we will clarify it, or if you even you can take it as a test, you can send it to me. Okay. So, pause that and read all the questions in your notebook and then solve it. Okay. That is it for today. Here we complete our portion of synthesis, that is simple, complex and compound sentences. In the next class, we will learn what is affirmative and negative sentence. Till then, bye.